Qnt Crypto could be worth well over $1,000 by this time next year. Not financial advice. You want to know why? Here are my reasons. First, the DLT market was valued at about $3 billion in 2020 and is expected to grow to $39.7 billion by the year 2025. So this is such a huge market, and Qnt is well positioned to partner with businesses to generate revenue streams, cut costs, and mitigate risk. So they are forming formidable partnerships, and this is why they are going to be the leaders when it comes to who has a higher share of this market estimated value here. Another reason is that Qnt is on major centralized exchanges. You can buy it on Binance, on Coinbase, on Crypto.com, on Kraken, Get.io, KuCoin, and the list goes on. Okay, so this is also one key factor to consider. From my perspective, I see Qnt well above $1,000 by January, February next year. Another reason is the tokenomics of Qnt. There are over 14.6 million Qnts in existence, and I think about 68,000 tokens are yet to be released, which means that Qnt is built to be scarce. Just like Bitcoin, you have limited supply. Okay, and you know what a lot of economics tells us: the more scarce something is, the higher the price. Okay, so this is one major reason to also consider, and this is pretty much why Bitcoin is designed to be more valued over time, and same here with Qnt. Another reason is the interoperability provided by Qnt. Qnt uses their overledger technology to connect blockchains and centralized legacy systems together. If you're wondering what all of this means, simple. It means that they can facilitate blockchains in business environments. More on the reasons, talk about the utility of Qnt. Of course, we know Qnt is used for payments, is used for dApps, is used for licenses, transactions, and name it. Okay, so as Bitcoin is bouncing back, Qnt is most likely going to break its previous all-time high. Of course, if you studied the bear market, you would have realized that Qnt is one of the altcoins out there that wasn't badly affected by the bear market caused by all of these negative news that hit the crypto community, like the collapse of FTX. So looking at their roadmap, of course, they have completed their roadmap. Talk about team, they've got a solid team behind the project, 20 years plus experience within the team. So I think this project is most likely going to move. Of course, this is my personal opinion, not financial advice. Okay, make sure you make personal research before you take information like this very seriously. Okay, so of course they're growing. If you go to their social media handles, Twitter, over 100,000 followers on Twitter. And that's it for this video. What do you think? Air your thoughts in the comment section. This is Briggs LBs and your guy Ken signing off.